What is the logic? Add and subtract half of the coefficient of x, the whole square. Specific integral formula, in all the formulae, x square quotient is 1. Whenever it is not complete square, do completing the squares. How to complete the squares? See the quotient of x. Welcome to the session, dear students. We'll go ahead with the problems of definite integrals. What I taught you, that is using three formulae of specific integrals. So in my last class, I taught you problems based on three specific integrals. We'll go ahead with some more problems of the specific integrals. So now from 6 to 9, all the problems will solve using the formula of specific integrals. So first they give integration of root of x square plus 4x minus 5. Please understand, every problem should be in one of the standard specific integral form. If it is not in specific integral form, you have to do completing the squares. For completing the squares, simple logic is add and subtract. Add and subtract. First you should add and then you should subtract half of coefficient of x the whole square. That's it. What is the logic? Add and subtract half of the coefficient of x the whole square. See, I'll take x square plus 4x minus 5. What is half of the coefficient of x? 4. So now half of coefficient of x means half of 4. Half of 4 is 2. So now I should add and subtract 2 square. Half of coefficient of x the whole square, that is 2 whole square. Add and subtract 2 square. So now this will become x square plus 4x plus 2 square minus 2 square. Add and subtract this. And we have minus 5, right as it is. Now these three terms, it is a square, b square, 2ab. What is a square plus b square plus 2ab? A plus b the whole square. So this will become x plus 2 the whole square minus this 2 square is 4 minus 5. Now further you can write the given question as x plus 2 the whole square minus 4 minus 5 is minus 9, or you can write it as x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square. So you can write like this. So given question, x square plus 4x minus 5 can be written as completing the squares. X plus 4x minus 5. So they give integral of root of x square plus 4x minus 5 with respect to x. You can write this as integral of root of x plus 2 the whole square minus 9 dx, or you can write it as root of x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square dx. Now it is in the form of integral of root of x square minus a square. So now it is in the form of integral of root of x square minus a square dx. What is the formula you have learned? For this, the formula is x by 2 root of x square minus a square by 2 log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus what? C. So now in the place of x, so answer is in the place of x whatever is present, in the place of x we have x plus 2. In the place of a we have 3. So in RHS also, in the place of x put x plus 2, in the place of a put what? 2. So x by 2 means x plus 2 divided by 2 divided by root of x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square, then minus a square by 2 minus 9 square by 2 into log of mod of x plus 2 plus root of x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square plus c. So here we'll have minus. Now simplify this. If you simplify, the final answer can be written as, so outside x plus 2 by 2 as it is, and here under the root x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square is x square plus 4x minus 5. X square plus 4x minus 5. Then we have minus outside 9 by 2. So log of mod of x plus 2 plus root of the same thing, x square plus 4x minus 5 plus c. Means in spite of x plus 2 the whole square minus 3 square, you can write this because this can be written like this. They are same. This part is same as this part. I hope all of you got this. Here the major part is what? Completing the square. How to complete the square? X plus half the quotient of x the whole square plus and add and subtract half the quotient of x the whole square. And this formula. So you should be thorough with the formula of what? Specific integral. So now please understand what to add and subtract is most important. Here you can see the critical step is this. 2 square and minus 2 square. Why I should add 2 square and minus 2 square? This is 2 is what? Half of the coefficient of x. So you can see what is coefficient of x? 4. Half of it is what? 2. 2 square you should add and subtract. Then this will become a plus b the whole square. That is a hint of the problem. Next we have root of integration of root of 1 plus 3x minus x square dx. They want you to integrate this. Again, take the quadratic equation, that is 1 plus 3x minus x square. Take minus common. So x square will become positive minus 3x minus 1. Now do the completing squares. So that is minus outside x plus we can x square minus 3x. Half of the quotient of x. Half of the quotient of x means half of 3. That is 3 by 2. 3 by 2 the whole square should add and subtract. So plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1. I am adding and subtracting half of the quotient of x. What is quotient of x? 3. Half of it you should add and subtract. Now further simplify this. I can write this as minus outside. So these three parts if you see, this is a square, this is plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab is a minus b the whole square. This will become x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. And remaining part, what is remaining part? Minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 1. Simplify this. So minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 9 by 4 minus 1. Simplify this further. So minus outside. So it will become x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. LCM is 4 minus 9 minus 4. So minus 9 minus 4 becomes minus 13 by 4. So we have minus of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 9 minus 9 minus 4 is minus 13 by 4. Minus 13 by 4. So further take minus inside. So it will become minus of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square and plus 13 by 4. Or you can rewrite it as, first I'll write 13 by 4. And then I'll write minus of x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Or can I write it as root 13 by 4 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So now the given problem reduces. So whatever is given, I can simplify. They give integration of root of 1 plus 3x minus x square. 1 plus 3x minus x square dx is given. I can write it as integration of root of root 3 by 2 whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square dx. So x by 2. In the place of x we have x minus 3 by 2. X minus 3 by 2 by 2 root of root 3 by 2 the whole square minus x minus 3 by 2 the whole square, and then plus a square by 2 plus root 3 by 2 the whole square by 2 and sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x minus 3 by 2 divided by a. A is what? Root 3 by 2 plus c. Further you can simplify. If you take LCM, 2x minus 3. 2x minus 3 divided by 2 2s are 4. And this can be written as, this can be written like this. You know, these two values are same. So 1 plus 3x minus x square, I can compress this. If you simplify this, that will be the value. Then we have root 3 by 2 the whole square becomes 3 by 4 by 4. 3 by 4 by 2, it will become 3 by 8. Sin inverse of numerator becomes 2x minus 3 divided by root 3 plus c. After taking LCM. If you simplify, you'll get this as answer. Means here again method of completing squares. Then we have Eighth problem, integration of root of x square plus 3x dx. So now here only two terms are there. What I'll do, I'll take x square plus 3x and I'll add and subtract half the quotient of x the whole square. X square plus 3x minus, first add 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Add and subtract this. So this can be written as x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So now if you expand this, you will get the same. See, the compressed model, a square plus b square plus 2ab, 2 into 3 by 2 into x becomes 3x. So add and subtract half the quotient of x the whole square. So I can write the given problem as integration of root of x plus 3x dx is given. So I can write it as integration of root of x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. So now it is in the form of integration of root of x square minus a square. All of you know integration of root of x square minus a square dx. What is the answer? X by 2 root of x square minus a square by 2 log of mod of x plus root of x square minus a square plus c. I told you to recollect or remember the formulae, three specific integrals. Now the given problem resembles the same form. It is in the form of x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square dx. That will give you x by 2. In the place of x we have x plus 3 by 2. X plus 3 by 2 by 2 into root of x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square minus a square by 2, that is 3 by 2 the whole square divided by 2 log of mod of x plus 3 by 2 plus root of x plus 3 by 2 the whole square minus 3 by 2 the whole square. Now substitute its values plus. So simplify this. If I take LCM, it will become 2x plus 3 divided by 2 2s are 4, and this can be written, this is same as the given problem, x square plus 3x. If you simplify, it will become x square plus 3x, and finally this is 9 by 4 2s are 8 log of mod of, if you simplify 2x plus 3 by 2, then plus root of given problem, that is x square plus 3x plus c. That's it. I hope all of you got this. Half the quotient of x the whole square, when you add and subtract, it will become complete square. So now integral of root of 1 plus x square by 9, or can I write x square by 9 dx. This is given problem. I told you we learned specific integral formula. In all the formulae, x square quotient is 1. But here we have x square quotient 1 by 9. So x square quotient should be 1. To make it 1, take 1 by 9 common. So I'll take 1 by 9 common. So here this will become 9 plus this will become x square. I'm taking by 9 out. Here there is no by 9, so into 9. If you multiply, it will become 1. Now further, separate from the root 1 by 9 separately I'll write, and remaining part root 9 plus x square dx. All of you know root 1 is 1, root 9 is 3, and this further I can write it as 3 square plus x square. Further 1 by 3 is constant, take it out. Integral of root of 3 square plus x square dx. Now it is in standard form. So 1 by 3 root of 3 square plus x square. 1 by 3 root of integral of 3 square plus x square dx. Now it is in the form of integration of root of a square plus x square. All of you know what is integration of root of a square plus x square. So x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of mod of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. So same formula use and convert it. So I can write it as x by 2 root of 3 square plus x square plus a square by 2, that is 3 square by 2 log of mod of x plus root of 3 square plus x square plus c. That is x by 2 root of 9 plus x square plus 9 by 2 log of mod of x plus root of 9 plus x square plus c. Next we have formula in the form of objectives. Choose the correct answer in the exercise 10 and 11. Integration of 1 root of 1 plus x square dx equal to. Now it is in what form? Integration of root of a square plus x square. What is integration of root of a square plus x square? Integration of root of a square plus x square is x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 log of mod of x plus root of a square plus x square plus c. Here in the place of a square we have 1 square. So now x by 2, answer should start from x by 2. So I can eliminate, these are all gone. So root of 1 plus half into this, so it matches. And here we don't have x by 2, you can eliminate. Here we don't have x by 2, eliminate. Here we don't have x by 2, eliminate. This is the answer. Directly when you apply the formula, x by 2 root of a square plus x square. A square means 1 square plus half a square by 2. A square means 1 square. 1 square is 1. 1 by 2 log of this. That's it. Direct formula. If you are thorough with the formula, you can solve. Next we have integration of root of minus 8 x square minus 8x plus 7. So again, completing the squares, you have to select it. And when you complete the squares, you will get x minus 4. Half the quotient of x is what? 4. 4 square you should add and subtract. Because here minus x minus 4 irbeku. So this is ruled out. I can eliminate. Now answer may be this, this or this. For that, first what you should do? Simplify. Complete the squares. X square minus 8x plus 7. X square minus 8x plus 7, complete the squares. So how to complete the squares? X square minus 8x, half the quotient of x is 4, 4 square, add and subtract, plus 7. Further you can write it as x minus 4 the whole square, minus 16 plus 7. Further you can write it as x minus 4 the whole square, minus 16 plus 7 is minus 9. Further you can write it as x minus 4 the whole square, minus 3 square. So the given problem becomes integral of root of x minus 4 the whole square minus 3 square dx. Now it is in the form of integral of root of x square minus a square dx. So what is the answer for this? X by 2 means x minus 4 by 2 and root of x minus 4 the whole square minus 3 square plus minus a square by 2, 3 square by 2 log of mod of, in the place of x we have x minus 4 plus root of x square x minus 4 the whole square minus 3 square plus c. Or finally we'll have x minus 4 by 2 and root of given question. What is that? X square minus 8x plus 7 minus 9 by 2 log of mod of x minus 4 plus root of again x square minus 8x plus 7 plus c. This is a regular method, but you can do elimination method also. So I want x minus 4, only x minus 4 is here, this is ruled out. And inside the quadratic equation, it should match. It is matching in all three. So a square by 2. What is a square by 2? After you simplify, you should get 9 by 2. So check where we have 9 by 2. So here we have 9, here we have 9, here we have 3. Only 9 by 2 is present here, you can tick it. Or you have completely solved, you will get the same if you check. So x minus 4 by 2, 9 by 2 log of x minus 4, same. Log of x minus 4. So option D. A square by 2 will help you to eliminate. But this same ide. Idra x plus 4 is eliminate madbodu. A square by 2 calculate mabitre saku by in objectives. But now you have scope to solve. I have solved this here. You can go through. Whenever it is not complete square, do completing the squares. How to complete the squares? See the quotient of x. Quotient of x, half of it you take. Half the quotient of x, the whole square you add and subtract. Then you can write it in a plus b the whole square or a minus b the whole square depending the quotient of x. Here quotient of x is negative, so it will be a minus b the whole square. So by this, I have done problems on what? Specific integrals. Then we'll go ahead with other type of problems in my next session. Please sit and revise all the types so that it will help you to understand definite integrals. Thanks for attending the session. I'll see you in my next session. Thank you.